Hi, folks. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. Thank you for all the persons who said yes so you could look at part of this, how to use one of these. Now, I took it apart to save time. Usually it's like this. And this is the converter, okay? And then we have to refuel it through here. Okay, first thing we're going to do is take lighter fluid. Now, I did it with other fluids and I got, yeah, that make it too hot. So we fill up this little container. Okay, you can see that. I only got it set for 6 hours, so I don't want to make it go any further than that. Then I will tilt it like this. Okay. You know, it's hard when your only camera system's on a laptop or a broken down cell phone. It's like, you get a cell phone, Uncle Al, or a smartphone. The heat. Send me $1,500. Okay, we just want a little bit left. Take a look. And that's for the catalyst. Catalyst is right here. And we'll make sure we get that prime. Wait a few seconds. Okay. Now, Hubble's cat says, well, we don't want to use a heater inside a snow tent in 15-degree weather. I'll have 2 of these things. Reason why, okay, Tibor knows what I'm talking about. It cuts down on condensation. Okay, if Hubble's cat had one of these in there, you wouldn't have ice crystals in the whatchamacallit, tent or moisture. I have a little bag that fits in it, and it's right above, and it keeps that whole area nice and warm. Uncle Alan's old, not stupid. I've been doing this for a long time. And yes, Uncle Alan went snow camping. I'm old, I'm tired, I have arthritis. I don't do that anymore. Okay, we take our butane lighter. Let's see how it works. Sometimes I have to use the other one. Yep, it's warmed up and ready to go. Okay, the catalytic converter started. You put it in the pouch. Okay, and keep your hands nice and warm. What I used to do when I'm wearing one of these, because Uncle Alan's old and crazy and knows all sorts of nice things, you can put it in your shirt pocket. That keeps your chest nice and warm at night. Take a look at that. Okay, or I can put it on one of these buttons. Okay, let's put that one. And it keeps, oops, and it fell off. Great. 1 second. Oh God, I'm getting old. That's why I use a safety pin. But the loop will fit on a Hennessy shirt, one of these buttons. You hang it right here or down here, and it keeps you nice and warm. Okay, not rocket science. And went out when I dropped it. Great. Oh yeah, that's going. Like I said, trouble with a converter, you have to be very careful with it. If you drop it, shake it, it loses. I missed a cigarette hole. That made it a lot easier to light one of these things. Yep, there it's going again. Anyway, I'll just slip it in my pocket. I'm cold right there. Like I said, folks, a lot easier, not a problem, simple to do. If you had the big one, I do have the big one, but I stored it away. It's 3 times the size of this. You put it in your tent, put it in a little fireproof baggie, and it will take care of the moisture in your snow tent. And I'll catch you later. I'll be seeing you. Bye now.